Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set charge limit on Hyundai using Bluelink, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Bluelink app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Locate the Vehicle tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this tab to access your vehicle's settings. In the Vehicle Settings menu, look for the Charging section. Select Charging Limits to proceed. Here, you can set the desired charge limit for your Hyundai. Adjust the slider to your preferred percentage. This percentage represents the maximum charge level for your vehicle. Once you've set the limit, confirm your selection. You may be prompted to review your settings. Make sure the charge limit reflects your preference. After confirming, your settings will be applied. Your Hyundai will now adhere to the charge limit you've set. To check or adjust your settings in the future, return to this menu. Close the app and ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi. The new charge limit will take effect during the next charging cycle. Now you've successfully set the charge limit on your Hyundai using Bluelink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.